This tutorial is on how to start and open a Google Doc. First, you're going to click on your Google Chrome browser. You're going to make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. You're then going to click on the Google Apps icon. Right here you'll see all the apps, and you can click down here for more, but we're going to learn how to do a Google Doc first. You'll see the Google Doc icon right here, and you'll click. It'll then bring you to the Google Docs site, and if you want to start a new Google Doc, you'll click on a blank page. And say your professor asked you to type a paper on Cherokee Indians. You will then start typing your assignment. I'm just going to paste an already typed paper so that I can show you guys that after you've typed your paper, you then can change the font size or the font itself. You also can make certain words bold or italicized, underlined. And after you have completed the assignment, you then can go up to the document to title your document. And I'll title this one Cherokee People, since this is what my paper was about. And that's how you open and start a Google Doc.